Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can claim free seats in Grow a Garden game of Roblox. So guys, there is a new feature in Grow a Garden. This feature is called the free ad rewards. So to access this feature, just go to the seed shop and you're going to select daily deals and you will see free ad rewards right here. Basically, you just need to watch an ad to claim free seed. And for today's seed, guys, there are Evo beetroot, candy cane seed, and for the possible rewards is here for the last one. So just watch the first ad and continue to the next ad to get the next seed. And for the last seed, you will get this possible rewards. There are cauliflower seed, corn seed, bamboo seed, and watermelon seed, and so on. So yeah, just like that, and it will be refreshed every day. New deals in 22 hours and 45 minutes. It will be refreshed after 24 hours. Okay guys, and that's how you can claim free sets in Grow a Garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!